Hey guys, welcome back to another video of our adventures. Today we have the all-new Insta360 X5. So let's get right into it. So opening the box, when you first open it, inside you have your memory card. It is a 256 gigabyte. And then you have your camera. Let's see, what else do you have? You have a lens cap. Let's see what's next. You have your battery. And then you have nothing in there. And you have your stick. So we're gonna start off with the camera. Here's the camera. It is the, like I said, the 360 X5. This one shoots 8K, so pretty cool. And this is the first model they've made with rechangeable lenses. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't think I can. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, so we changed places. We are now outside. We have the 360 cam itself, the lens cap, SD card, battery, and the invisible stick. Like I said earlier, this is the Costco bundle. So if you were to order from Costco, this is what you would get. So we're gonna start off. We'll go like this. We'll switch these actually. We'll go like that. This will be the order we'll open it up in. So now we're opening the camera. Let's see what we get. I have not looked at the Costco bundle, so I have no clue at all what I'm opening get up to. I have no clue if there is a battery in here. I'm pretty sure this is the only battery. Okay, it's here. Opening, magnetic, and it opens like that. Here's the camera. It looks a lot different. It now has the like textured and stuff. It does come with the battery, as you can see here. So you get 2 batteries. There's no SD card in here, so that is your SD card. These are different batteries compared to our X3. So you have to keep that in mind when you order these, is they are different batteries. That's in. Another cool thing about this one is it has the rechangeable lenses. I don't know how to take them off. I'm not going to deal with it right now. But you're allowed to change these lenses instead of like the X3, how you get that one set of lenses. So as you see here, this side is your battery and your SD card, and this side is your charger. So you just kind of, maybe. It's a bit tough, but this side you just, or push it forward. Yeah, you push it forward, and then it pops up. So that's where you charge that. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off, and then we're gonna, actually we'll open everything else up first, then we'll use the phone and hook it all up. So we're gonna set this down right there. So here's another box inside of it. In here you have, it's like a case. Yeah, and here's your case. Probably a charger, it feels like. Yeah, a charger, your lens cleaner or cover, or cleaner, yeah. It'll wipe it off. And then that's all inside of the box. That's all you have in here. So next, we're gonna move on to the battery. There's a couple pieces of tape on the sides. There we go, there's one side. There's the other side. And then you pull it out. And then you have this thing. Pull this up. Pull those out. And then it looks like you get the spare battery and a spare case for it. So, yeah. So here's your spare case, and when you pop it open, you have a spare battery as well as you can carry 2 spare SD cards inside of it. So pretty cool feature. It's here. And then we have, yeah, that box. Your SD card. So let's see here. Or your memory card. So So you should be able to pull that back and pull that off. And then you can pull this out. And there's this thing on the side right here. You pull it up, pop it open, and there's your card. And then you pull out your battery, pop it out, and then right here, kind of hard to see, but it says like SD, and there's that like little slot right there. That's where your SD card's gonna go. So you're gonna put the little lip on the outside, and you're just gonna push it in like that, just like that, and you can throw your battery back in. So now we have all that, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off, and we're gonna turn it on. And then it will blink down there. As you can see, it turns blue. So you're gonna click English, or depending where you're from, I'm gonna click English, so next. And then now you have to download the 360 app, which we already have downloaded because as you know, we have the X3, and we'll have to do all the pairing things. Okay, so we'll try to do this later on. We can't quite figure out how to get it to work. Okay, so we're gonna leave that here for now. Just gonna let it try to find itself if it doesn't. So now we have the lens cap. Let's see here. Okay, so here will be your lens cover. This is how you will cover your lens when it's just in storage, since these lenses do seem to get scratched really easily from what we have figured out. So here it is. It's a bit wider than our other one, but you go like that and you just throw it right over. And so it seems to be pretty snug, surprisingly. It seems to work really good. And then you can just set it down like that. And then the last one, the stick. Pull that open, pull that, and pull off a piece of foam. And then here's your stick. So with this, you turn it one way. Let's see if I can remember how to do this one. I know, never mind, this one's not a twist one. This one you just pull. And then I think this is a 3 foot, probably, but 3 feet. And then how this works is the bottom and that, you screw them together. Yeah, there are many different attachments for these things. That's what makes them really cool. Like you just put it up and you can use that selfie stick. The nice thing is you, when you do video, you will not be seeing this stick at all. It actually like disappears. That's why it's called the invisible selfie stick. And you can record while you're up in the air, and you can capture everything with the 360 and the 2 lenses. So we'll go ahead and connect this off the video. And so hope you guys enjoyed another video of our adventures. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. We'll make sure I have a video hopefully next week for this.